Hey everybody, I'm John Durham with the Durham Real Estate Team, and I'm here with Jamie Bailey, one of our lenders. We love her, and she does an incredible job for all of our clients. I hope you're being really busy. You said your phone was going off. I read a report Friday that said loan applications for homes are up 20% from this time last year. Are you feeling that?
Yes, I'm swimming in it. Yes.
Okay,
absolutely.
good. So people, the biggest question we get asked as real estate agents, and probably you too, is how's the market? And my sarcastic answer is up or down. Yeah, it's never the same, ever the same. But anyway, today we're going to talk to Jamie. She's with Southeast Mortgage, an incredible company. They're right here out of our office, and we're talking about down payment, right? So tell us about down payment. What the myths are and what's true.
Absolutely. So yes, I thought it was a great question we got from one of our clients recently that asked me, they had a concern if the minimum down payment had to be 20% to go conventional, and
No, that's not true. Not the case at all.
Absolutely. So please, if you're still thinking or seeing things on the internet that say, hey, I have to put 20% down. Now, there's a caveat to that, right? There's what's called private mortgage insurance.
Okay.
Private mortgage insurance is a government rule that they require that if you don't put 20% down, it's an extra fee you pay on your mortgage payment. But it's not a requirement. That's where I don't want anybody misled about that. It's an option, okay? And that's what we want to know is, you know, you can, believe it or not, go conventional with 101%.
101%.
You absolutely
For real?
can, for real.
Oh my goodness.
It wouldn't be the exact direction because, you know, no money down ain't going to be the same as somebody putting 20% down, that's for sure, on interest rate, which impacts payment. However, everybody's got a different need, what their life is, what they're going through, and it's nice to have options to discuss. So very important and valuable. Please don't believe. You do not have to put 20%.
The private mortgage insurance you're talking about, when you're quoting somebody a price or a payment, you've already figured that in. So it's not some big amount of money they have to pay. It's just figured into their payment.
Absolutely.
So they don't have to have 20% down.
Absolutely. And there's different programs on when the private mortgage insurance goes away or if it's for the life of the loan. I mean, those are the things why we do our consultations that we do to help people.
The biggest objections we get as realtors, we refer them to you, is the biggest one now is the interest rate, right? We all know that. We're waiting. Hopefully the government will do something with that soon, but the interest rate, but then also is they say I can't afford to buy a house because I don't have the down payment, when really they don't know what it is, and you can coach them through that.
Absolutely.
With everything, it sounds like from 20% down all the way down to
100%,
nothing down. So zero down depending on the type of loan.
Yeah, and you all have great partners on your team that help with closing costs and really work on contracts. So those are all pluses. You can get into a home with the right partners. Right.
So obviously we can't get specific on here because we have to have buyers. So please reach out to us. Jamie, I'm John. We would love to hear from you. All your questions, any needs you have, we would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching.